Hi everyone, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces. You know me, I like to garden. I'm an outside girl, but I'm also in Ohio, so that limits my time to get much work done each season. And one of the things I try to do each year is clean out beds, move stuff that maybe isn't faring well, or just redesign. It's fun. Gardening is definitely a therapy for me, and one of the things I like to incorporate is things that either have a story, personal to me, or just maybe I found somewhere on my own. But what I have here is 2 crocks. And they both came from my mother, but they also came from other sources to her. So they have a history. This one, I don't honestly remember the backing on it, but I know that it was hers. At one point, it might have belonged to my grandparents. When I was on a bed rest, when we lost our little girl, my family didn't know kind of how to clean up while I was on bed rest. So this ended up, I did use it as a planter. It ended up freezing and cracking the bottom out of it. And so I didn't want to toss it. The bottom is empty, so it makes a perfect planter. I just stick it in my flower bed and fill it up. Now, originally, when I put it here, I just dropped a hosta in it that I had thinned, and I didn't really care for that, but I pulled that out, so I'm going to refill it today. And then this crock here was my grandparents'. They brought it with them when they moved, and they used it as a downspout to do their cabbage, their laundry in, all sorts of things. And this is actually my mom's, being used pretty regularly at her house until just this last winter. She must have not emptied it enough, and it split and busted out the bottom. So, show you here. I mean, that's quite the damage, right? She didn't want to mess with it. I said, I'll take it because I already had one. I knew in my flower bed. So I'm putting it here where I actually had an azalea that wasn't faring well. And it'll help me fill in my beds real nice, add that height and texture. So I'm just doing this to encourage you that don't give up. If you have some things, planters, you don't have to go broke filling in and creating. And actually, I think this is more fun because I can share stories. So let's get this thing filled. So there we go. My crocks are full, and they will be cascading out flowers with the ferns and the potato vine and the pansies. All these will definitely develop into some beautiful plants that I can enjoy all summer long. And typically I can't overwinter much because I don't have much space, but I just love having the creeping Jenny. My flower boxes will fill in. What a joy to see all summer long. So feel free to ask questions. I hope you enjoyed this. I invite you over to my blog, prodigalpieces.com, where I share much more on garden tips, family, food, what have you. We have a good time sharing and really love to hear back from you. Subscribe to my newsletter where you get all this information right in your inbox for free, plus a discount to my shop and a buying guide that'll help you with furniture. If you're ever looking for furniture, what to know, what to pick, to rework, or to just leave it go. We call it a leave-a-right. But also sign up here on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below. What are your favorite plants that you like to plant each year? Do you have favorites for containers? Do you rather do vegetables? We have a vegetable garden too. But I'd love to hear from you, so take a minute, stop down, say hi. Until next time, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces. Bye.